Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to import the video from the FJD Trion P1 and process the video. So we're going to download the videos and SLAM data. So I'm going to do that. This is a very short scan I've done. Normally it is up to 1 or 2 gig. This was only a couple of seconds just to test out the scan. So what we've got here is the OneDrive download. I'm going to extract it, and we've got these 2 video files. So what we need to do is stabilize the information. So I've just updated my Insta360 Studio. You will need to register and install that. Also provided the calibration file, which is only for my camera and my scanner. So once you purchase, you can get it done by them, or you can register it. So the file comes in as a YAML file, and that's how that works. So what we're going to do now is take the 2 videos, put it together. Now we'll need to open these 2. So we select the 2. So you click stabilization type, click remove the flow state stabilization, and click the export button and go for export 360. And what we're going to do is save it in the same folder we have downloaded the files. So we're just going to run start export, cancel, just put So now the video is done. So what we're going to do now is open up FJD Trion Model, go point cloud mapping, indoor, so I'm using a P1, then we just put today's date, select the file, there you go, FJD slam, and disable, okay. So because it's a small room, just put it 10, rain, project file, okay, and that's going to take a couple of seconds because it's a small room, as you can see in the background here. So once that's done, look at that, beautiful. So once we've got this, we do point cloud colorization, go indoor, basic data, so we're going to select again the folder. So this just is a quick re-recording. So what I'm going to do is quickly show you what I've done. So you've got to select the point cloud, go to start point cloud colorization, indoor, then you click the basic data. That will be the folder where you have saved the project, and you click choose. The video data is the new MP4 you've created, and you select the YAML file and the location of the new colorized file, which I've put in the same folder. Once done, you'll get this. So now the process is done. I normally switch off the original point cloud and just work with the edited one, and this is my current room right now. It's a bit of a mess. But yeah, you can see that my face has been imprinted on there, so I would recommend when you do the scan that you're facing the other way around. So when you do a lot of the scans, you're not pointing yourself like this, so that the scanner can actually have a backing. So you have the back and the front, rather than my face, because I just grabbed it like this and did a quick turn on my chair. So if we could quickly look at the quality, so you can see that's just a simple scan. The more scans you do, slightly more noise, but this is quite good. So you can delete some outliers. So you select the point cloud, you can delete, reduces the noise slightly. Or you can run it through Cloud Compare and delete a bit more noise. And one option is to, if you go to clipping box, we're going to take a look at the quality of a slice that is horizontal. and you can see it's quite nicely thin for your drawings of the line, so that's not bad. So that's pretty good. So other than that, that's it for now.